Here I have Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM cards on this device. So firstly, let's open Contact application, then go to Fix and Manage section, select Import from SIM. Here you can select which contacts you want to import. Let's import them all, and then just tap Import. And as you can see, these 6 contacts were imported from the SIM card to our device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.